Hey guys, today I show how Beat the Ever by Yeat was made in a fell studio. The beat was produced by Shadyboy and BNYX. The first thing were creating a piano melody. For this melody I took Alicia's keys with OTT compression, AC20 and fresh air. For this I use M20, next I pitch piano. The next lead. The next one I take a whistle lead. Last one of melody is absolute accurate bell. Next thing we have in the drums. And next we have a kick who's a little bit different. Next I find identical 808, just look at the waveform. Next we are a move on bridge. So let me know what do you think about remake. Guess that's this mouse Takare. Thank you for watching and see you next time.